Will Pixel 4 have headphone jack? There is no rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, so it either doesn't have one, or it has been moved inside the display, increasingly less likely. Although the Pixel 3a got one, there's still no headphone jack. Is the Pixel 4 waterproof? The Pixel 3, Google's latest iteration of the phone, has a rating of IP68, which means that it's slightly more water-resistant than its predecessor. It can withstand being submerged in up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, according to trusted reviews. Does the Pixel 4 have wireless charging? The Pixel 3 also supports fast wireless charging at 10W, but sadly Google decided to nerf third-party Qi wireless charging pads, limiting them to 5W. It would also be good to get faster wireless charging speeds in the Pixel 4, as other manufacturers have increased support to 15W. Will Google Pixel 4 have 5 grams? While HTC will likely launch a 5G smartphone, its first hardware device with 5G support will be the HTC 5G Hub. It uses Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 processor and its X55G modem. Pricing for the device has not been revealed, but it is expected to go on sale in the second quarter of 2019. Does Pixel 4 have wireless charging? The Google Pixel 4 is compatible with the following wireless chargers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.